Hello and welcome back to another episode of Do or DIY. My name is Braun and I run a crochet shop called If Hooks Could Kill, and today I'm going to teach you a cute little crochet pattern for this little kitty cat trinket dish. It is perfect for holding jewelry or just being a cute accessory in your room. Need for this, it's super simple. So you're going to need any worsted weight 4 yarn. I used pink for this little guy, but you can use whatever color you'd like. And then you're going to need a 4mm crochet hook, yarn needle, and a pair of scissors. And I really do think that's everything for this. So we're going to get right into this tutorial, and as always, make sure you guys leave a comment below if you try this, and also let me know if there's anything else that you'd like to see me make. Plug my phone in because it's dying, but look at the cute little, got all my little crochet critters. Sorry, anyway, that was a shameless self-plug. We can get back to the actual video now, I guess. For round 1, you're going to start with a magic circle, and then you're going to work 6 single crochet into that before you pull it shut. For round 2, you're going to increase in each stitch around, and I'm going to crochet this tail in while I do this so that I don't have to weave it in later. So basically, when I do, if I can get this to focus, when I do this first single crochet, I'm going to wrap the tail over like so and work those stitches around the yarn tail. And trim that tail too before I keep working. For round 3, you are going to work 1 single crochet into the next stitch, and then you're going to increase in the following stitch, repeating this all the way around for a total of 18 single crochet. Round 4, you're going to work 1 single crochet into the next 2 stitches, and then you're going to increase in the following stitch, repeating this all the way around for a total of 24 single crochet. For round 3, you're going to work 1 single crochet. For round 5, you're going to work 1 single crochet into each of the next 3 stitches, and then you're going to increase in the following stitch, repeating that all the way around for a total of 30 stitches. You're going to work 1 single crochet into each of the next 4 stitches, and then you're going to increase in the following stitch, repeating that all the way around for a total of 36 single crochet. Round 7, you're going to work 1 single crochet into each of the next 5 stitches, and then you're going to increase in the following stitch, repeating that all the way around for a total of 42 stitches. For rounds 8 through 10, which is a total of 3 rounds, you're just going to work 1 single crochet in each stitch around for a total of 42 stitches. To make the tail, you are going to slip stitch into the next stitch. You are then going to chain 11. And then skipping the first chain, you are going to slip stitch into each of the remaining 10 chains. You are then going to slip stitch into the next stitch of the base. You can then finish off this piece. To make the ears, you're going to start with a magic circle and you're going to work 4 single crochet into the magic circle before you pull it shut. For round 2, you're going to work 1 single crochet into the next stitch, and then you're going to increase into the following stitch, repeating this around for a total of 6 single crochet. Round 3, you're going to work 1 single crochet into each of the next 2 stitches and then increase into the following stitch, repeating that around for a total of 8 single crochet. Now for the 4th and final round, you are going to work 1 single crochet into each of the next 3 stitches, and then you are going to increase in the following stitch, repeating that around for a total of 10 single crochet. Then just slip stitch to the next stitch and finish off, leaving a little bit of a tail so you can sew it onto the main piece. And then make 1 more just like that. Sew the ears on, you want to find the spot that is directly across from the tail, and then the ears are going to go on either side of that stitch essentially. So one ear is going to start here, and then one is going to start here, and you're just going to sew them on like that. Go ahead and weave in your yarn tails, and then you are finished with this cute little trinket dish. I hope that you guys love this tutorial. As always, please let me know if you do try this pattern and how you feel about it. And also if there's anything else you'd like to see me make a tutorial on in the future. And you guys have a great rest of your day, and I'll see you in my next video.